Hey coin collectors, it's DC on the Big D with the 50 euro cent coins. We've got some from 5 different countries, well 4 countries, and then we have kind of a weird one from France, but I'll let you see that when we get to it. This is the 50 euro cent coin. First came out in 1999 when there were 12 euro countries, or 12 countries using the euro dollar, and you can see 2, 4, 5 stars here, then a 6, and then 2, 4, 6 stars down here, 12 stars. Way over here to the side, you can see an L and an L. And that's for Luke Leutsch, the engraver of this coin. It says 50, 50, then euro cent, and then here are the countries that were part of the European Union. If we tip it up on its edge, we see that it has these kind of indentations in it. This is called a bunch of different things. Sometimes they call it a milled rim, sometimes they call it an indented rim, but whatever it is, you pick it up on its side and you can tell what coin this is just by touching the side of it. If we, this is the back of all the coins. So the country has its own front or obverse, and the reverse is always going to be the Luke Leutsch back like this. So here's one of them right here. And this is the one from Belgium. You can see this is pretty worn. This is a Nordic gold coin. And Nordic gold is not actually gold at all. It's 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. And you're going, well, where's the nickel? Well, it turns out a lot of people have nickel allergies. So when they thought about making the coin, they said, well, let's make a coin that doesn't have nickel in it. This one right here from Belgium in 1999, you see the 1999 here. Over here on the side, you see a crowned A with the Roman numeral 2 in the middle of it there, down at the bottom. And that, of course, is for King Albert II. Albert II, A and the 2, and the crown is the king. And he's facing to the left in this. This is a Jean-Alphonse Kaiserlemans, I think is how you say it, design. And this has been modified twice since 1999, in 2008 and 2014. Next up we have Finland, and this is a nice one. Just kind of a little bit aggressive, but this is from some old Finnish coins. This design is. This is actually a Heikki, I'm going to say it, Havaija. It's a lion holding a sword, kind of gripping it. It's not quite a paw there, but more hand-like, with these, look at this really sharp claws coming down here. And there's a sword below the lion. This is, as I said, an old Finnish design. This is 2006 here. We have 12 stars going around the outside. Down here, we have an M, and that M is for the Mint of Finland. So the Finnish Mint uses the M sign. And this coin first came out in 1999, and this is the last year of the so-called first map or first issue coins. Next up is a French coin, and I said it's going to be a little strange, and it is because I couldn't find the 50 euro cent French coin, so I took the 20 euro cent because it has the same design on it. It's based on the old Oscar Roti design, and so we see right here it says Laurent Joriot, DAP, or following the Oscar Roti design. You see how it says that right in there? And so that's who engraved this coin, Laurent Joriot. 1999 here, 12 stars around the outside. It says RF there, République Française. Down here is the mint mark, and that's for the Paris Mint. And then over here is a B, and that is for the head of the mint. They all have their own little symbols, and it's a B for the head of the mint right there. I think it was Pierre Rodier who was the head of the mint in 1999. Next up is the Ireland coin. You see it says Erie, I think is how you say it, but I'm not sure. 2002 here. Very simple design. That famous Irish harp on the design. This is actually an engraving from the Book of Kells, or the Book of Kells. If you get a really, really good copy of this, it's just a beautiful, beautiful coin. The Nordic gold does tend to tarnish a little bit, but it holds up really well. And then finally, for our first 5 of these 50 euro cent coins, we have the Spanish one. And this is from Spain, España. Says Cervantes. This is Miguel de Cervantes. This is a quill which he used to write his books with. Most famous probably for the Don Quixote and where we get the musical The Man of La Mancha from. Um, Over here is an M with a crown on it, and that's for the Madrid mint. Down here, 1999, and there is Cervantes himself. And then there are 12 stars around the outside, and 4 of them are in a band. I've got no idea why these 4 are in a band, whether that's just a design thing or it's something that they meant to do. This is a Begonia Castellanos Garcia design, and in 1999, Spain put out 370 million of these. So they put out a lot. Now, some countries put out a lot at the beginning and then only put out a little as it went along. So in 1999, Spain did 307 million. Ireland, on the other hand, did 1.4 million. France did 106 million of the 50s. How many did Belgium do? 197 million. So they're kind of all over the board. And then finally, Finland did 6.8 million. They worked into it slow, and they have a smaller monetary supply. So that's what we have here from Big D coins. These are the 50 euro cent coins worth 1/2 of a euro.